Hebrews 11, verse 23 to 26. By faith Moses, when he was born, was hid 3 months of his parents, and they were not afraid of the king's commandments. By faith Moses, when he was come to years, refused to be called the son of Pharaoh's daughter, choosing rather to suffer affliction with the people of God than to enjoy the pleasures of sin for a season, esteeming the reproach of Christ greater riches than the treasures in Egypt, for he had respect unto the recompense of the reward. Hebrews 11, verse 23 to 26.
Amen. Ja, if you should make best, ya sustain to Mulmawa, ya, if you should say, Amen. Yes, one away. Waliai, Masitasi, oh, Precious